My dear students, competitive chemistry JEE NEET 2025 focus. Like, share, subscribe. Mind blowing question, most exemplary question. NCERT, like, you share it. Xenon hexafluoride XeF6. XeF6. Calculate the number of lone pair present on xenon XeF6. Please note it. Let us go for detailed discussion. How you are going to prepare XeF6? You see, xenon tetrafluoride react with O2F2 to form xenon hexafluoride. Tetrafluoride react with O2F2 to form xenon hexafluoride. Here O2F2 is a fluorinating reagent. Please note it. O2F2 is a fluorinating reagent. Again, kindly keep it in one mind. Kindly keep it this issue. What is this issue? Fluorine oxide. This is a O2F2 is a fluorine oxide. Please note it. In fluorine oxides, oxygen shows +1 oxidation state. Here oxygen shows +1 oxidation state. Please note it. O2F2 +1, OF2 +2. Fluorine O2F2 oxygen shows +1 oxidation state. Okay, xenon XeF4 react with O2F2. We have XeF6 is the right answer. Okay, at the same time, if you observe very keenly structure, xenon is inert gas element. It has 8 electrons in valency shell. Okay. Fluorine, halogen, it has 7 electrons. In valency shell 7. But xenon 8 electron. Here one lone pair is there. Still 6 unpaired electrons are there. 6. One electron is making bond with fluorine. Another electron is making bond with fluorine. Another electron is making bond with fluorine. Another electron is making bond with fluorine. This also fluorine. This also fluorine. So total xenon 6 electrons is making 6 bonds with fluorine unpaired electrons. Okay. Still we have 1, 2, 3. Each fluorine possesses 3 lone pairs. This is 3 lone pair. This is 3 lone pair. This is 3 lone pairs, 3 lone pairs, 3 lone pairs, 3 lone pairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 3, 18 lone pairs are there. Besides, xenon possesses 1 lone pair. So total 19 lone pairs are there. Y compound xenon hexafluoride has 3 lone pairs in each fluorine and 1 lone pair in xenon. Hence total number of lone pairs electrons is 19. 3. Total 3 into 6. 18 plus here 1 lone pair. 19 lone pairs are there in xenon hexafluoride. Please note it. The structure of xenon hexafluoride distorted octahedral. Please note it. Xenon 8 plus fluorine 6. 8 plus 6. 14 by 2. 7. 7 means sp3d3 hybridization. sp3d3 hybridization because of lone pair. It's distorted octahedral. 19 lone pairs are available. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe to get more and more videos from my channel.